Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Dark Renegade 14 here, baby, with another reaction. Oh, damn, I'm not doing a reaction video. Shit. Shoeboxing video, baby. I gotta make y'all laugh some type of way because actually, the reason why I say reaction video because I did have a reaction video planned for y'all today. But guess what? A lot of y'all probably not gonna read the community post that I be posting, but yeah, I recorded it and it didn't record full screen like you seeing now. It recorded like full screen but pushed back, and I don't wanna upload that. But now if you guys want to see it, then I'll upload it. But I per se don't want to upload it. Goddamn, so uh yeah, I'm not gonna do it unless you guys want me to. If miraculously this video get 50 likes, and I'll upload it. Or some comments saying upload, not upload. But anyway, let me get here to the shoes. I ordered some Reeboks. Bam. The box is okay. Remind me of kind of like Tommy Hilfiger. Here go the name of the shoes right here. I don't know if you guys see them. FlashFilm. And it's a big ass box. Cause a nigga like me wear a size 10. So let's take a look. Bam! Had to throw the Dashy in there. Shout out to my boy Dashy, even though he don't know I exist, but gotta spread the love. YouTubers. Alright. Let me get into the shoe though. Ooh, 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 ooh. They call these cold gray. Cold grays. And in the video they look like they white, but they're really not. I don't know if I can get it in here. I don't know, but there you go. You can tell they gray. They gray. Oh shit, I still got the tag on these hoes. Oh well, I mean the price not on these bitches, so I mean I can tell you the price on them. I don't care, but yeah, you know they gray. I really wanted these because of really this part. Like this part right here is pretty much my bad. My mom was calling me. This part right here is pretty much dope. Like this is nice. I like this. All the way around. All the way around is not a bad shoe. I really like this part right here. It matches one of the little blues in here. One of the little blues in here. But I mean, it's not really much to show on this shoe. It's not really much to show on this shoe for real. Other than that. I like how they did the Reebok symbol. Don't know if you can see it like right up in here. Boom. Boom. I like that. Pretty much regular this. Regular, I mean, size 10, Reeboks, cold grays. I mean, D-Hose is cold though, right? And they're gray, so I can see why they came up with the name. You know, these are some cold ass shoes. These bitches cold as hell. So, what I'm gonna wear them with, I do not know. But I got some more shoes coming in tomorrow. But they're Puma though. Yeah, I'm not gonna spoil the color scheme behind those, but they're Puma though. I got some more Pumas. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little something to look forward to, because I know, you know, that I've been, you know, gone a long time. Haven't really been uploading. But yeah, I'm sorry about the reaction video. I really am. But I have 2 gaming videos that I released, like, I don't know, maybe like a week ago. Call of Duty. One is Black Ops. I think one is Modern Warfare. You know, if you want to, you can go check that out. But, you know, give this video a thumbs up. How you guys feel about these shoes? Do they deserve the name Cold Grays? Because these are some cold ass, gray ass shoes. Like look, ooh, when I look at it like this, these like, they so hard. They so fucking hard. Like, it's really this part. It's this part. This part killing it. Like, what the fuck am I gonna wear with these? I don't know. But these hoes cold. So, subscribe if you're new here. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. More content will be coming to this channel soon. Oh, Resident Evil. Be on the lookout for the Resident Evil Village. I'm getting it, and it's getting live streamed. The whole game, like I did all the last past Resident Evils. I think I did 2. I don't know if I did all the 2 or 3. But I know I did all the 7. So bear with me, guys. Deuces. New shoes, new shoes, new shoes, new shoes.